This is for the condition when the sensor is off. The circuit are having 9 volt of power supply, and during this condition, capacitor will turn on and get charged by the power supply. The speaker would not give any sound because the sensor acts as a switch, which is it's now in an open condition.
As soon as the sensor detects water, the circuit will be completed as there is connection between the stripes on the sensor. So the IC will gain input, and all the logic gates in the IC will have an output. So the output from pin 10 will flow to the resistor and the transistor, and thus connecting all the devices on this circuit. And lastly, the speaker will produce sound. The speaker will produce sounds until there is no longer presence of water on the sensor, because it will become an open switch again. Thank you.
Readings are being taken to make comparison between when the sensor is in open condition and when it's in closed condition. During closed condition, the speaker shows no reading. Next, the capacitor. The capacitor shows reading since it has power supply and it's directly connected parallelly to the power supply. So the capacitor are being charged. Next, the IC, we measure from the supply with ground. It shows reading, however, the input doesn't get any, the input port doesn't get any input, therefore it's not being triggered yet.
And now we will take the reading when the sensor is acting as a closed switch.
Now the speaker are showing reading, which means it has voltage drop and it's functioning. Now the capacitor doesn't show any voltage drop because since the circuit already completed, the power supply are supplying it to the whole circuit instead of recharging the capacitor. Now we measure the IC at the same pin between power supply and ground. The reading got lower because the IC are connected to resistor, and resistor are decreasing the voltage drop in the IC.